Well, how y'all doing? It's PawPaw again. And we're here to do a review on the Westforce electric pressure washer. And they said it tell me it's supposed to be put out 2,800 PSI. We're gonna find out. Let's see. Well, got a good long cord on it, I'll tell you that right now. Well, y'all give me a couple of minutes, I'm going to put this thing together. Instructions? We don't need no stinking instructions. I better. And you got to push it in there pretty good. It has a O-ring on it. So you got to get that pushed in there good and tight before you try to start tighten your collar, so that you don't get it cross-threaded. All right, that's it. Now, the other end of the pressure hose is where this bad boy goes, and you squeeze this trigger in. It spreads these little grippers. You push that in, turn loose of that, and now then your handle is secured. Now there are, you got your little holder here for your gun. It slides on right here. Now, on this, your soap dispenser can go in there, push it in, just turn it quarter turn, and now we got a soap dispenser, pushed in, turn it that quarter turn, comes out. And the same thing with this little jewel here, our wand, push it in, turn it quarter turn, and there we go. Alright. Well, I tell you what, I sure am glad they sent this when they did. It's getting to be a little bit cool out here. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna hook a water hose up to this thing, and we're gonna see if it works. I can tell you right now, there's one thing already I like about it, better than the one I got from Harbor Freight, and that is the water hose connection. It's got a nice big plastic knob on it where you can turn it by hand. You don't have to have a pair of pliers to undo the hose. Well, I'm gonna see if I can't spray this thing down with a little bit of soap. Before any of y'all fuss at me about using Tide to wash your car, washing the wax off. Can't say it because my car ain't got no wax on it. Okay, so we turn it on. This is one of those where it only runs when the pressure's low. So right now you don't hear it running because it's not running because it's got pressure built up. When I squeeze the trigger and lower the pressure, then the pump's going to kick on. For the sake of demonstrating it, I'm not going to wash my whole car. I just showed you how you put that soap on there. Of course, I put it on real thick and heavy. You can adjust it up here for less soap, more soap. I just soaped her down. Now let's see if we can rinse her off. Let's see. Well, here we go. I think this thing can pump water faster than my well can keep up. Folks, I believe this is a pretty good little pump. Pretty good little pressure washer. I can definitely tell that it is quieter than the one I got from Harbor Freight. And with the versatility of having those 3 extra tips with it to help maintain a tight stream or a fan stream or whatever versus that little cheap plastic adjuster on there. I like it. I do like it. So if you think you'd be interested in a pressure washer, check this one out by Westforce. Make sure that you look underneath the video in my description box, see if we can find you a coupon code to save you a few dollars on it. Because unlike all the things I review, I don't get paid to do it. I won't take their money because I don't want my opinion to be skewed, you know? Because somebody's paying me to look at something, then I'm like, well, I really need to be nice. Whereas if they just say, here it is, tell us what you think about it, I'm more than likely to just tell you like it is. So, let's get down here and look at this thing a little better. It is the Westforce. It's CEPW V1700-A electric pressure washer with a soap wand, a high pressure wand with 3 tips, and a very long power cord. This power cord goes all the way back over there. So it's got a long cord that comes with it. So, to me, I think it'd be all right. Make sure that anytime you have one of these that in the winter time you drain all the water out. Well, folks, y'all just remember, be smarter than old PawPaw. I ruined one or two of these things, leaving them out in the cold weather, and it froze and busted. You know, just like today, here it is, October the 2nd. It's kind of cool out here, and I doubt if you're going to see me wash another car this year. So what I do, I end up just setting the car washer, the pressure washer off in the garage somewhere out here, and what happens? Freezes and busts. So make sure when you get yours, after you're done using it for the season, drain the water out of it. It might last you a lot longer. Folks, y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll better tomorrow. Bye, everybody.